Let's solve for the value of n. You are welcome. First, let's square both sides of this equation because my intention is to remove this square root sign, okay? And the only way to do that is to square both sides of this equation. So I will have 9 raised to the power of root n squared is equal to square root of 27 to the power of n squared, okay? Now what we have here now is 9 squared multiplied by, okay, sorry, because we have what, 2 powers on a number. When you have a to the power of m raised to the power of n, okay, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. All right, so we are going to relate this now to what we have here. So this is same thing as 9 to the power of 2 root n, right? 2 root n is equal to, this is going to cancel this, we have 27 to the power of n. All right, now when you look at this, we can rewrite 9 as 3 to the power of 3, right? Sorry, 3 to the power of 2. Now raised to the power of 2 root n is equal to 3 to the power of 3 raised to the power of n. I would like you to stay put and see how I prove the answers that we got, okay? Because to prove that the answers are correct is another math on its own. So don't miss the fun, okay? All right, now we can write this as what? 3 to the power of, when you have 2 powers, you can multiply them together. So this is 2 times 2 will give us 4 root n is equal to 3 to the power of 3n, okay? All right, now we have the same base, we can equate the powers. Therefore, we can write that 4 root n is equal to 3n. Now we can square both sides of the equation because of this root here, okay? So if we square, we have 4 root n squared is equal to 3n squared, okay? So what we have here now is 4 squared multiplied by root n squared is equal to 3 squared multiplied by n squared, okay? Now 4 squared will give us 16 multiplied by this, we cancel this, we have only n remaining, is equal to 3 squared will give us 9 and we have n squared, okay? So this will give us 16n is equal to 9n squared. Now let us bring them together. Let us bring them together. If we bring them together, we have 16n. This will cross to become minus 9n squared is equal to 0. Okay, now what do they have in common? What they have in common is what? N. So when 16n is divided by n, we are going to have 16 minus, when 9n squared is divided by n, we have 9n is equal to 0. Like I said, the main thing here is not even to get the values of n. The main thing is to prove that they are correct. But before that, please click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are coming across this video, across this channel. Please, thank you so much, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if this is the first time you are seeing, oh, if you're actually enjoying the video, whether it's the first or the second or all right, let's continue. Now from here we can say that n is equal to 0, right? And that 16 minus 9n is equal to 0. So this is the first value of n. Now from here we can say that 16 is equal to minus 9n will cross to give us plus 9n. All right, now to get the value of n, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by what? By 9. So we are going to have 16 divided by 9 is equal to 9n divided by 9. Now this will cancel this, and we have that the second value of n is equal to 16 over 9. Now to the most important and the most interesting aspect of this video, let's check our values. Check. The question says 9 raised to the power of root n is equal to square root of 27 raised to the power of n. Now for n equals 0, because we got the first value of n to be 0, right? So for n equals 0, you can see that we can write 9 raised to the power of root 0 is equal to square root of 27 raised to the power of 0, right? Now we have 9, square root of 0 is 0. So we have 0 here, is equal to square root of any number n to the power of 0 is equal to 1, okay? Any number to the power of 0 is 1. So 27 to the power of 0 is 1. Now 9 to the power of 0, since n to the power of 0 is equal to 1, therefore 9 to the power of 0 is also equal to 1, is equal to square root of 1. Now 1 is equal to 1. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So you can see that n is equal to 0 satisfies the equation. Now let us check the second example, the second solution that we got. Okay, we also have for, excuse me, okay, now for n equals, which is the main one, 16/9. Let's prove that n is equal to 16/9. Okay, this one is even the difficult one. Not difficult anyway, but tactical. If you are not careful, you will not get it. So the question says that 9 raised to the power of root n is equal to square root of 27 raised to the power of n. Okay, now can we prove that? So that means that 9 to the power of 16/9 square root, okay, is equal to the square root of 27 to the power of 16/9. All right, now this same thing as 9 to the power of square root of 16 divided by square root of 9 is equal to the square root of 27 to the power of 16/9. Okay, all right, so we have 9 to the power of 16. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 9 is 3, is equal to, now square root of x, that is square root of any number, square root of x is equal to x to the power of half. Okay, x to the power of half, this is power. All right, so we can write this as 27 to the power of 16/9, everything raised to the power of half. Now we have 9 to the power of 4/3 is equal to 27. 2, we divide this to give us 8, right? So 27 to the power of 8/9. Now let's put them in the same base. Yes. So when we do that, we have 3 to the power of 2. Since 9 is 3 times 3, right? So 3 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 4/3 is equal to, and 27 is same thing as 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 8 divided by 9. Now we have 3 to the power of 2 times 4 will give us 8 divided by 3 is equal to 3 will divide itself to give us 1, divide 9 to give us 3. So this side is also 3 to the power of 8/3. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.